Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the clarity of your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select the video and tap to the video clip. Go to the Adjust section next to the Can Burns option, and here you can find the Clarity option next to the Vibrance button. And just pass the line on the scale and you can set the clarity of your video. And if you finish, click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.